You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulb bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or clean them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To access and replace the taillight bulbs, you need to open the car trunk. Open the trunk. Remove the access flap inside the trunk. You can use a screwdriver to help you. To change the brake and parking light bulb, grab the top bulb holder and rotate it counterclockwise. Everything should come out easily. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Take the new bulb. Put the new bulb into the base. Then insert everything into the light and turn it 1/4 turn to the right.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
To change the indicator light, grab the bottom bulb holder and rotate it counterclockwise. To remove the bulb, press on it and make a 1/4 turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Close the access flap. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.